When migrating cloud data, hyperlinks often break, which can be costly and time-consuming to repair. This happens when cloud migrations disrupt folder structures and make it impossible for links to identify their original destinations. As a result, links fail to function properly after migration. But what if you didn't have to worry about that? Introducing CloudFuze Hyperlink Fixer, the solution that ensures your hyperlinks migrate seamlessly without breaking. Whether you're moving data to Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, or other cloud platforms, CloudFuze Hyperlink Fixer preserves your links across all clouds. Our tool supports bulk migration and makes it easy to move millions of links without any disruptions. It auto-corrects various types of links, such as OpenID links, IF condition links, shared links, and those embedded in documents, spreadsheets, presentation files, and PDFs. If you have experienced broken links with another migration vendor, CloudFuze Hyperlink Fixer can step in as a reconciliation tool and fix only the broken links without the need to re-migrate your entire dataset. We are one of the only few cloud migration solution providers that preserve links during migration, so don't let the risk of breaking links hold you back. With CloudFuze Hyperlink Fixer, you can migrate with confidence, knowing that your links will remain intact and functional post-migration. Ready to fix your links and streamline your cloud migration? Connect with us today.